In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take changes with you to a new branch in GitHub Desktop. If you've started editing files and realize they belong on a separate branch, you don't need to discard or commit them prematurely. GitHub Desktop makes it easy to create a new branch and carry those uncommitted changes along. First, open GitHub Desktop and make sure you've selected the repository you're working on. You should see your in-progress edits listed in the Changes tab. Save any open files in your code editor so the updates appear here, but you do not need to commit anything yet. Next, go to the menu bar at the top and choose Branch. From that menu, select New Branch. This opens a small window where the app will base your new branch on whatever branch you currently have checked out. Take a second to note which branch it's based on so your history starts where you expect. Give your branch a clear short name that describes the work. For example, feature add login or fix header alignment. Avoid spaces. Hyphens are ideal. When you're ready, click Create Branch. Because you have uncommitted changes, GitHub Desktop will ask what to do with them. Choose the option on the left that says something like Bring my changes to the new branch. This moves your working changes over without committing them, so they'll look exactly the same in the changes list, still editable, still ready to be staged when you decide. This is perfect when your edits logically belong on the new branch instead of the old one. After selecting that option, confirm by clicking Switch Branch. GitHub Desktop will check out your new branch and carry over your changes. You'll know it worked when you see the branch name updated near the top of the window and your uncommitted files still appear under Changes. At this point, you're on the right branch with your work intact. You can continue editing, stage specific files or hunks, and make your first commit when you're ready. If you don't see the Bring My Changes prompt, it usually means there weren't any uncommitted edits to move. The new branch will still be created, and you can begin making changes there. That's all there is to it. Open GitHub Desktop, create a new branch, choose to bring your changes, and switch. It's a fast, safe way to keep your work organized and your commit history clean while you iterate.